Everyone. Today we're knitting a colorful bright garland. Let's get started right away. Begin at the top, make a ring, and work 6 stitches into it. Now tighten the ring. For row 2, increase, work 2 stitches into each of the 6. You should have 12 stitches at the end of this row. Row 3, work 1 stitch, increase. Repeat 6 times for 18 total. Fourth row, work 18 stitches but only through back loops. Rows 5 and 6, work 18 stitches through both loops. Row 7, decrease through back loops. One stitch decrease, repeat 6 times for 12 total. Eighth row, make 6 decreases. After 3, insert the filler. Now work the remaining 3 decreases. Secure the thread tightly so it won't unravel. For row 7, attach colored yarn to front loops. Make a chain, work a stitch in same stitch. This starts 18 stitches. Eighth row, also work 18 stitches. Ninth row, knit 2, increase. Repeat 6 times. End with 24 stitches. Tenth row, knit 3, increase. Repeat 6 times. End with 30 stitches. 11th and 12th rows, knit all 30 stitches without changes. Thirteenth row, knit 3, decrease. Repeat 6 times. End with 24 stitches, rows 14 to 16, knit all 20 stitches without changes. Seventeenth row, knit 2, decrease. Repeat 6 times. End with 18 stitches. 18th row, knit all 18 stitches. After this row, insert the stuffing, pack it in very tightly. Knit 1, decrease. Repeat 6 times. End with 12 stitches. Row 20, knit all 12 stitches. Add stuffing after this row. Row 21, make 6 decreases. End with 6 stitches. Now close loops with the needle. Tie tail inside the bow. Decorate top with shiny thread to mark the texture. We've got a real light bulb here. Now let's knit as much as we can bear. Once all bulbs are done, arrange them in your preferred color scheme and start connecting the garland. Make a ring with 25 chain stitches. Now chain 10 stitches. Attach the first bulb with a single crochet. Space between bulbs will be 20 chain stitches. Chain 20 stitches, then attach a bulb. Again 20 chain stitches and attach the next bulb. After the last bulb, chain 10 stitches again. Now let's knit 25 air loops and join them into a ring. We'll secure the garland's ends by hiding them. New Year's is probably the most festive holiday. Of course there's Santa and the tree, but colorful lights are a must too. Though our garland doesn't light up, it's bright and cheerful, bringing joy as it's handmade. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful for your crafts. Subscribe, like, and share with friends. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye for now.